The Universal Multifunction Accelerator UMA is a disruptive innovation from Manjeera Digital Systems and is a state-of-the-art application-specific signal processor IP. UMA provides unparalleled computational capabilities at ultra-low power consumption. This demo showcases the capabilities of UMA in accelerating a few image processing and computer vision applications. The next big technological advancement is providing visual intelligence to every device, which involves capturing complex images, processing massive numbers of pixels, and analyzing enormous amounts of data using complex algorithms. All this requires unprecedented computing power at very low power consumption. The wide varieties of algorithms involved and the evolving nature of the embedded vision field has created a demand for high-performance programmable compute engines. Manjeera's UMA is a programmable engine that delivers very high performance while consuming very little power. The current version of UMA can provide up to 1.15 trillion RISC operations per second and can seamlessly scale up. The estimated power consumption in 28 nanometer process technology is a frugal 1 milliwatt for 2.43 billion 32-bit operations. UMA has generic interfaces easy to integrate into any SoC and simple to program. This is the SoC with 2 UMA cores used in this demo on a Xilinx ML605 FPGA board. This SoC requires just 115 MHz and 31.2 milliwatt, including memory power, to execute a computationally intensive algorithm such as HDR imaging and tone mapping from 3 input images of VGA resolution at 30 frames per second. An 8-core UMA can perform real-time 4K UHD HDR tone mapping at 30 frames per second at a paltry 315 milliwatt for a 2-image input. The 3D depth map computation of a stereo video is performed at QVGA resolution in real time within 83 MHz with a power consumption of 22 milliwatt. The power consumption of 1080p at real time would be under 600 milliwatt. The same SoC now runs a moving object detection algorithm. The 2-core UMA system performs real-time moving object detection at VGA resolution within 40 MHz and 8 milliwatt. Moving object detection at 1080p can be easily done in real time at a low power consumption of 53 milliwatt. Manjeera Digital Systems UMA can easily scale up to address much larger image sizes, higher frame rates and more complex algorithms, all at very low power consumption and small silicon area. UMA is ideally suited to create application processors that can deliver high performance at extremely low power consumption, such as those needed for automotive infotainment, surveillance, wearable devices and smartphones. Thank you for watching the demo.